looking for ways to make more money? Whether you're looking to start your own business or just want to bring in a little more cash each month, there are plenty of ways to make money online. Here are 7 of the best. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Review websites and apps. It is possible to earn cash online by reviewing websites for free. For leaving testimonials on their sites, some companies pay people and give them free products. Other companies pay people to assess the quality and performance of their website. In reviewing websites, you'll usually examine how well it functions and how quickly it loads. How much you earn will depend on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. You learn more if you're willing to do one-on-one sessions with clients over video conferencing. Sell photos online. You can earn some money by selling your photos to stock agencies if you regularly take pictures or have lots of images on your computer. Every time someone downloads one of your photographs, you'll receive a commission, either a fixed amount or a percentage, based on the stock image site. You can make good money from building a collection around a particular theme. Additionally, every image you upload can be sold over and over again, though some sites might require you to sell the images exclusively through their platform. Offer social media consultancy. Do you know how to get followers on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest? Promote your services as a social media consultant. You will be contacted by brands to brainstorm creative ideas, produce videos, and more. If you have social media skills, this is a great money-making opportunity since you can use your existing profile as your portfolio. Promote your portfolio in digital marketing groups and forums. Send outreach emails to agencies with a link to your website. Do you need some inspiration? Watch the story of 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞. With a viral TikTok video, he turned his passion for social media into a full-time business, helping brands gain a following. Transcribe audio and video files. Though artificial intelligence is gaining popularity as a tool for speech-to-text transcription, it's far from perfect. As a result, many companies depend on transcriptionists to convert audio files into text. You can work part-time for a company like 𝐦𝐤 or freelance with multiple companies on specific projects. It is common for companies to let you choose which assignments to work on and set your own schedule. Using your computer's built-in speakers to transcribe doesn't require any upfront investment. Simply use those. As a transcriber, you'll need strong typing skills. Make sure your work is error-free and easy to understand. Transcribing short audio files will prepare you for applying to transcription companies. Launch a YouTube channel. Would you like to become a YouTuber? Today, you can film unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits using nothing more than your smartphone. And you don't have to pay anything to start your own YouTube channel. By using your Google account to sign into YouTube, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. YouTube channel owners have several opportunities to earn money. As soon as you reach 1,000 subscribers, you can start running ads on your channel. Your YouTube channel can also be monetized by partnering with brands, selling merchandise, or becoming an affiliate. A successful YouTube channel focuses on one niche. Do beauty tutorials, review tech products, do a daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices. Whatever you think will attract more viewers. Join an affiliate program. You think you have the marketing skills to promote things effectively, don't you? Join an affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting products, services, and brands. If you are accepted, you will receive an affiliate link to share with others. After someone clicks your link and buys the product or service, you'll receive a commission along with credit for the referral. Affiliate commissions vary according to the affiliate program and the product being marketed. Basic items on Amazon aren't likely to pay much, but promoting digital services like web hosting can earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Affiliate marketing does not rely on blog promotions to generate revenue for marketers. Promote your business and earn money by using your social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.